It was the best thing we could do when we decided to democratize process mining for everyone. Just imagine 1 or 2 billion users are supposed to use Office 365 in the future. Power BI is the analytics backbone for Office 365. Since PAFnow is embedded in Microsoft Power BI, every Office 365 user can easily and comfortably access process mining reports. Process mining through Office 365 is easy to use and easy to understand for every knowledge worker. Knowledge worker will become process optimizer at their digital workplace, even without the need for in-depth data science knowledge. And we believe that PAFnow through Power BI will be as easy to use for everyone as PowerPoint is today. No other process mining provider makes it as easy as PAF to scale. Enterprise organizations can scale inside their existing infrastructure with their own data and their own process experts as their most important resources. This is just one example to demonstrate how PAFnow meets the most demanding enterprise requirements already today.